Chris with Legendary Customs. It is Friday, almost 7 o'clock. We just left La Crosse, Wisconsin to head to Kansas. What's in Kansas? Toto. And what's Dorothy? But no, I guess they're not in Kansas anymore, are they? Anyway, we're on the way to Kansas to get a 1956 Chevy Suburban. About a year ago, we flew out to California to look at one, and it turned out to be just a pile of not very good junk. And this one, we're going down to Kansas. Hopefully it will be much better. Anyway, we have a little over 8 hours of driving one way. Tonight we're gonna get in 5 or 6, hopefully, and then tomorrow finish off the drive and get our butts home. Stay tuned. Check out the Kansas Suburban.
The ancient Greeks were
We made it to West Des Moines, Iowa. 11 o'clock at night. Hitting the hay. Get up tomorrow at 7:30. And on the road, destination Kansas. See you tomorrow morning. Sleep last night was weird at best.
Turn left onto Office Plaza
2 o'clock in the morning.
Turn left to stay on Office
Somebody was
Plaza Drive
screaming in the hallway.
Take
The
next
bed
left
wasn't
to stay
really
on Office Plaza Drive North, then turn
that
left
good.
onto
It
Jordan
was
Creek Parkway.
new. It was one of those foam beds, but it was really soft for me. And yeah, long and short,
Turn left onto Jordan Creek Parkway.
we're now up, and we are now moving westward to Kansas. Bye, Des Moines.
Then your destination will be on the left.
We are here. He is a dealer of vehicles. He has more than one.
You're gonna have to come this way. This way. I smell it. It's not your most graceful move.
No. Not graceful today at all. Made my dad proud though. He said if you're not bleeding, you're not working. I'm bleeding. That was always his. If you're not bleeding, you're not working. And then he worked 12-hour days. Well, hell, son, that's half time. 24 hours is full time. You're only working half time. Suck it up. Get going. we're on the way home from Kansas. We have the 1955 in tow. The wind is hellacious. We just filled up with gas and we went 60 miles on a half tank of gas. To give you an idea, that has only been about an hour of driving with the speed we're going. Long and short, we took and drove for 4.5 hours earlier today on a tank of gas. So we're gonna get about 2 hours out of this tank. That's crazy how windy it is. Anyway, all is going well. The Suburban is in tow, and Kathy said I'm certifiably crazy for doing this, but I have a vision for this thing, what it's going to turn out to be, and hopefully in the end she'll say, yeah, you're crazy, but it's a good crazy.
So I guess I should be recording this. It is now dark. It's 9:08 p.m. That is not a cop behind us. I was videoing the light that is not a cop car, but we have no trailer lights.
Crazy. Borrow a trailer and nothing. Had lights before, now it doesn't work.
And you peed on the side of the road.
And I had to pee on the side of the road. Look at it swinging back there.
Oh, good Lord. Yeah. So,
you'll draw attention.
We have about an hour and a half to go, and at least a person will see that.
Oh, they'll see it.
So, yeah.
And they'll speed up and go, what the hell is that?
Probably.
Oh my word, we're home. We made it. Everything's safe. And there it is. Amazing. No, not amazing. Legendary. Soon to be. Good night.